coughing. It is cough season right now. So remember to use all the good muscle groups that you already have going for you that naturally engage with the pelvic floor as you're coughing. So don't cough and get into a little ball where you're shoving all your pressure down, you're in this squatting, peeing, pooping position. Arch your back and do the Count Dracula. So I want you to squeeze your shoulder blades together, arch your back, turn your head away from all your friends, and try to hold everything up and in as you're coughing. And if you're laying down, really get some lumbar extension as you cough. You are fearfully and wonderfully made.